Hey everybody, Prepper Nurse 1 here. Today is Saturday, February 10th, 2018. We are trying out the Legacy pancakes today. So I'm going to show you, it's the old-fashioned pancake mix. And so we have, I've already started making them, so the kids are already eating them. And so I got a couple on the grill here. I'm gonna flip these ones over real quick and then so obviously I'm using my Lodge cast iron pancake maker here. Now that made it too big. Okay. So I've already made a couple, and the kids are trying them right now. What do you guys think?
They're good.
Are they good?
Yeah.
It's okay. We're not the biggest fan of pancakes, but they're okay.
Okay. Well, that's an honest answer. That's what we want. We are also trying the maple syrup that we got from Greg, who lives behind us. How was the syrup?
Good, I like syrup.
Yeah, okay, good. Eddie decided not to go with the syrup, so that's okay, it happens. So anyway, I wanted to tell you guys with the Legacy right now, I had made a mistake before, so I wanted to correct that. The promotion that Legacy's doing right now, if you are a person that's already bought from them in the past, you can get 20% off when you go to the checkout and you type in fast shipping. Okay, it's a promotion code for anybody that's already bought in the past. So if you hadn't bought in the past, I am sorry. The way you can get around that, if you want to, is go in and make a small order, and then in a day or two go back in and make a larger order, because now you're a former customer, and use the shipping code. That's one way of getting around that, okay? Everything now with Legacy is going to be shipped out. Bring your plate, baby. You ready for another one, Bub?
Oh, give me a second. You're going to have some water. Oops.
Everything, like I said, is now shipped out within 1 to 2 days of the order. I know that there had been issues in the past with people waiting quite a while for things to come in. And I'm looking forward to trying this myself, to be honest with you. So, anyway, what I like about the Legacy products, they're larger proportion size for what you're going to get. That's a nice thing. And I don't know, I just, like I said, everything that we've tried so far has been decent. Right, Heather?
Yeah.
I mean, you would never know that it was a freeze-dried food. I mean,
Is that a goofy pancake?
What's
Would you
that?
like, give me the goofy pancake?
Sure, the one that I flipped over wrong, yeah. Get the edge of that. Tastes just like a normal pancake.
I don't have a lot of pancake experience, so I don't have much to go off of.
Well,
Last time I had a pancake was when I was helping the Regents County kids, and so wait, hold on, you cut this up first.
so anyway, if you're interested in any of the Legacy foods, what I like about it, like I said, it's got a 25-year shelf life, which means you basically buy the stuff and you can set it away and not have to think about it again. So that makes it nice. You know, as long as you keep it in a cool, dry place, you're talking about a 25-year shelf life. Lightweight, and like I said, it's going to be bigger proportion sizes than any of the other competitors out there. So that's for me, that's something that I like. And like I said, it's you'd never know. You would never know that this is a freeze-dried food if I didn't tell you. I'll be honest with you. There's no weird taste to it. It's just like a normal pancake, and that's what it's all about. So anyway, so that's what we are having for breakfast, and Eddie already ate his and is gone. His was a good sized pancake though.
Yeah.
But if you're in an emergency situation, and basically what we did is, you know, we mixed in a little bit of oil and water, and there we were, and we have pancakes. So, like I said, if you're interested in getting any of the legacy foods, I'll leave a link down in the description. If you are a former customer, yes, thank you, then you can get the discount by typing in fast shipping when you check out, so that you can get that discount. You'll be able to get that. So that's a little incentive for anybody that's already purchased before. And like I said, the way around it, if you're a first-time purchaser, go in and buy something small. And then if you want to get other things, then you go back in a couple of days. This promotion is running through the 19th of February. I probably should have mentioned that. So you got a little bit of time left for that. You know, you got about 9 more days. Well, 17th is 7 more days. What?
What are you talking about? I said it was the 19th.
I said the 19th? Okay.
And you just said 17th.
Okay, I think then it must be the 19th. So you have 9 more days for this promotion. So, I mean, you could purchase something, you know, smaller, like I said, and then if you want to go in and make a bigger purchase, then you could and get the discount.
And also, the shipping out faster, you can try it, and if you like it, use the discount for it.
Right, they're shipping things out within 1 to 2 business days of every order now. So that's definitely better, instead of having to wait a long time to get your stuff. They're a growing company, guys. I'm going to tell you what. And like I said, the food is very, very good. I was going to finish that whole thing.
And they care about their customers.
And they do. The customer service, from my experience from dealing with them, has been very, very good. And like I said, I enjoy using their products. And again, we went with the old-fashioned pancake mix, and so that's what we're having for breakfast this morning. They actually have an oatmeal in there too, so I might have to try that. But I know Heather and Eddie won't eat the oatmeal with me. But so anyway, it's very, very good. And this is, you know, American company out of Salt Lake City, Utah. And it's legacyfoods.com. Like I said, I'm going to have the link down in the description. And if you would like to try it, I would definitely, like I said, I would recommend it. It's something that, this is now the 5th thing that we've tried, Heather? I believe it's the 5th thing that we've reviewed for Legacy. And they've all been good. And you would never be able to tell that it was long-term food storage or freeze-dried food. There's absolutely no way you'd be able to tell. So that's really helpful. Okay? So anyway, again, I'll leave all the description in the link below. If you are a prior customer, click on my link. It also helps my channel if you purchase through my link. You know, just so you know, you're helping the channel out. You're helping yourself, but you're also helping the channel. because I get a little bit of a commission on anything that's bought through my link. So like I said, that's another way of helping the channel out and supporting what we're doing here. And I appreciate everything you guys do. I really do. And so anyway, that's what we're doing. And but actually just like a regular normal pancake, no different taste or anything. It's very, very good. The kids liked it. And that's what's going to tell you the difference. Is the kids are, you know, I'm not going to lie to you, but you don't know that. So, but the kids are not going to lie. If they don't like something, they're going to tell you that they don't like it. So anyway, guys, listen. I hope everybody's doing well. I may make another video later today. I'm not sure yet. I might not. But I have a couple thoughts I wanted to share. I'll probably do that for Sunday's video. But so anyway, here's the legacy stuff. If you're interested, like I said, the link will be below. And all the information will be right there. Okay? So I hope everybody has a great Saturday. It's about 32 degrees out today. Things are melting off a little bit, which is nice. So not a horrible day. It's overcast again, but we are getting power in today. So anyway, guys, listen, have a great day, and I will talk to you all tomorrow. Remember, hug and kiss the ones you love. Tell them every day tomorrow is not guaranteed. And remember, it's STD. It's one step at a time, one thing at a time, and one day at a time. Whatever you're working towards, whatever you're trying to do, you can do it. And the only one that's going to stop you from doing that is yourself. Okay? I will see you all tomorrow. Prepper Nurse 1, out for now.